Did you know that some of the vitamins sitting in your medicine cabinet right now, the ones you trust to keep you healthy, could actually be silently speeding up aging, damaging your heart, and clouding your memory? It sounds unbelievable, but shocking new research from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society reveals that more than half of seniors are taking the wrong supplements and paying for it with their health, often because marketing tells us that more is better. Not all vitamins are created equal. While some can fuel internal inflammation, thin your blood dangerously, or overload your liver, others can literally rebuild your cells, sharpen your mind, and add years of true vitality to your life. To help you cut through the myths, we are uncovering the 4 worst vitamins you should avoid after 60, and the 4 essential nutrients your body actually craves. First on the never take list is high-dose synthetic vitamin E. Long praised for the heart, studies from Johns Hopkins show that exceeding 400 IU daily can increase heart failure risk by 20% because the synthetic DL-alpha form acts as a spark for oxidative stress, essentially rusting your cells from the inside out. Next, you must be careful with iron supplements. Unlike in our younger years, seniors don't shed iron easily, and this iron overload can lead to metal buildup in the liver and brain, contributing to Alzheimer's and heart disease. Third, beware of mega doses of vitamin B6. While marketed for nerve support, taking over 100 milligrams can paradoxically cause peripheral neuropathy, leading to permanent numbness and loss of balance. Finally, stop reaching for cheap synthetic multivitamins packed with fillers like titanium dioxide and hydrogenated oils, which often bypass your body's natural absorption and simply stress your kidneys. Transitioning to what you do need, the gold standard is vitamin D3 paired with K2. Taking D3 alone can be risky because K2 acts as a GPS, ensuring that the calcium you absorb goes into your bones where it belongs, rather than hardening your arteries. You also need vitamin B12 in the methylcobalamin form, the spark plug for your nervous system that reverses the brain fog and fatigue often misdiagnosed as early dementia. For better rest and heart health, magnesium, specifically the glycinate or malate forms, is a must, as it regulates over 300 functions and helps 70% of seniors who are currently deficient finally exhale and sleep deeply. Lastly, high-purity omega-3s, EPA-DHA, serve as an essential anti-inflammatory shield for your brain and joints, with Harvard studies suggesting they can lower heart disease mortality by 27%. At this stage of life, every pill you swallow should be a building block for your independence, not a burden on your organs. If you're ready to reclaim your health and choose science over labels, type "ready" in the comments to let me know you're with me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip designed to help you age with grace and power.